What's up, guys? I'm Ben Armstrong, CEO of 9 Miles Media. And clients ask me every day, hey, how can we do well by doing good? How can we give back to the communities that we're a part of and realistically build brand equity and brand value at the same time? Our team really believes in giving back as a company, and we've woven that into the DNA of our agency. We work with building products and construction manufacturers all around the country, and one of the things that they always tell us is, hey, we really want to find a way to give back. I want to invite you and your team to come join us for Building Forward on December 10th right here in Raleigh. We're going to be covering the rise of the benefit corporation and some different structures that you can consider, as well as more typical corporate social responsibility programs. Our agency team will be on site alongside other industry experts with breakout sessions, Q&A, networking opportunities with others in the building industry, as well as local charities who actively are searching for partners just like you in order to help their mission succeed. And it's not just that, we're also going to be benefiting the Food Bank of North Carolina. We want it to be an intimate feel with opportunity for you to network with the charities as well as others in the building and construction industry. So space is extremely limited. Guys, you really don't want to miss Building Forward on December 10th. Bring your marketing team, pull up a chair, grab a cup of coffee, sit down with us, and let's talk through how you can use your business as a force for good, how to give back and do well by doing good. We can't wait to see you. Sign up now.